Hi, I'm Margaret. This delicious pineapple upside down cake begins with a small quantity of Victoria's sponge mix. The only difference for this recipe is that instead of the vanilla extract, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. I'm using tinned pineapple slices today, and I thought I'd pimp it up a bit with a few nuts and a few glacé cherries. Now, as I've been talking, the butter, sugar and eggs have been mixed together. If it's mixed well at this stage, the cake will be lovely and light and airy. Let's just scrape down the sides and we can add that pineapple juice. It may curdle a little bit at this time, but it doesn't matter. As soon as the flour goes in, the mixture will smooth itself out. Now let's set that aside for a moment while we decorate the base of the tin. And this starts with some melted butter. Jiggle it around a bit so it covers the base and a little bit of the sides. Next, a little bit of light brown sugar, and it's time to decorate. You can use anything you like really that you might like on the top of your cake. I thought fruit and nuts would make a good addition. I've gently roasted these nuts in a dry frying pan just for a few seconds. Gives them a lovely flavour and a little bit of colour too. In goes the pineapple, and I think I'll finish off with a few more cherries. Popping them into any space I can find, just to finish off. I also thought it might be quite nice to have a few chopped nuts cascading down the sides of the cake when it was turned over. So let's pop those round the edges so they can do just that. Then carefully add that lovely pineapple batter, bit by bit, so we don't disturb the pattern underneath. It will need smoothing over, but carefully does it. Oh, look at that lovely caramel around the side. Now to turn it over. Pop a large serving plate on top, and in one swift movement, right over. Then a bit of a jiggle. Make sure it's on the plate, and there we go. Serve this with ice cream for a lovely fruity dessert. Thanks for watching. Take care. Catch you soon.